Hello, Villa de Leyva. Welcome. My name is Juan Felipe Castro, and today I will be your tour guide through the fascinating place of La Periquera, a few kilometers from Villa de Leyva in Boyaca. It is a charming tourist destination visiting the Boyacense town of Villa de Leyva is really charming. This town is approximately on onward from the city of the Tunja, capital of Boyacense. It is a tourist attraction very famous for its stone-paved streets, its rich temperature, climate, its gastronomic variety, recreation, and a spectacular climate that will undoubtedly leave you wanting to visit it again and again. Famous for its Quiet Festival in August and its Welcome Holiday Lights Festival in December. La Periquera Ecological Park. La Periquera Ecological Park, this trip to Villa de Leyva, was made with my family, and it is ideal to go with friends. It is scheduled to last 3 days. This trip was planned to get out of the routine and be able to enjoy its beautiful landscapes. This time I recommended the Hotel La Periquera, located about 4 kilometers from the center. The first day we went to the waterfalls and rappelled descended the waterfall with safety equipment and walked the ecological trails and be watching. The second day we went caving 5,000 meters below from the mountain in the cave of the fetus, a few kilometers from the place, and on the third day we enjoyed the boogies and board games in the caving. How to get? The two most viable ways to get to the park are by car or by bus from the center of the main square of Villa de Leyva. In the attractions, among the main attractions that we can enjoy in the ecological park of La Periquera are the ecological walks with bird watching, the fly cable, climbing the wall, and taking a good motorcycle ride. The typical foods we can find gastronomic variety from cafes, Peruvian food, Oriental food, Italian food, pizzas, and la carte dishes, desserts, ice cream, fast food, among many other dishes. You can enjoy drinks such as tonic waters, sodas, soft drinks, natural juices, teas, sorbets, and national and imported beverages. Because of this place, the approximate cost per day for 8 people is about 20,000 pesos. And finish. Thank you for your thank you for visit the ecological park La Periquera.